I enjoy the company culture we have here because we have a distinct vision.
What we have really pushed towards is being more of like a family oriented. And I do feel like that. From the people to even my supervisors and my managers, they feel like, to me, they're more mentors or big brothers or even like dad figures to me.
No matter what, if we have chassis issues, lift issues, no matter what the problem is, we always overcome it and hit our goals at the end of the month.
The things I enjoy of the culture of this company is the growth. You know, it's a blessing to see all the people come here every day, and for CUP to have so much success, and all the people that are working here to get a job done, and just the love, the dedication, and you know, from corporate all the way down to our general manager to HR, supervisors. You know, we're one big team here, and that's what I like about this place.
It's a great place to work. I think that we have a family feel about us. Even though we're part of a large corporation, we still have that family feel, and everybody comes together as a team to make our company succeed.
When I was working in manufacturing and I was going to school, I had this vision in my head of what American manufacturing meant and what it was. And I worked in the defense industry for about 10 years, worked in the auto industry for 5 years before coming here. Those sectors, wonderful sectors, but I never felt this, I'm gonna say, intellectual culture correlated to grit like we have here. It's not pseudo-intellectualism, it's not meetings just to have meetings. When we say we're gonna do something, we do it.
It's either you're authentic and you're real and you have a good culture, or you don't. And I think here we definitely have done that, especially in the past 5 years.
We're out here to get a job done. We work together as a team to complete our tasks.
We're given our goals and we communicate them across the entire company.
What I enjoy about the company culture is the way we strive for results.
We foster care and respect towards our employees.
I'm just really proud of this company. I feel like it's a very American company. It checks all the boxes for me. It's tough, it's gritty, it's intellectual, and we make it happen. That's my absolute favorite part of this corporate culture.